Hello again, it's Noob, and in front of us we have an older Abus 9050. This is a stainless steel version. Now I think they've gone mostly over to the titanium aluminium bodied version of this lock, which I think I picked a couple of years back. But I did happen across the stainless steel bodied version, so let's have a pick of that today. In terms of the key bitting, it's 5 pins, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and sort of typical Abus. We're talking reasonable bitting, bit better than average, but in this case not really very extreme either. It's okay. It shouldn't be too hard to pick. It's got no sprung core, but it has a very tight shackle. I think that's, I mean, it's obviously had a life. It's a bit loose this end. I wonder if somebody's accidentally sort of pulled on it while it's been in this position and it's expanded the shackle outwards a bit, making it a bit stiffer to put in when it goes all the way down. I'm not sure. It's definitely had a life. In terms of picking it, just some bottom of the keyway tension. Grab one of my favourite picks, the Peterson Gem. Go in and see where we get to. So pin 5, little click. Pin 1, click. Back to 5. Counter rotation. Pin 2, counter rotation. See where else we need to go. Pin 3 now. Bit of counter rotation, and we are open. Look at that. So, yeah, nice lock. Now, just a little bit of story behind why I'm picking this particular lock today, and it might resonate with some of you. Do you know what? Sometimes when you've been picking some really complicated locks, and just recently I have, I don't know if I published any of the videos of them, but some of them are just quite tiring. Work all day and you want to pick a lock and then it's complicated, and then you have to gut it, and then you've got to reassemble the thing. And sometimes reassembling locks, I reassembled a Banham recently, and it took me 4 times longer to reassemble than it did to gut, and the gutting took a long time, and I was losing springs everywhere, and I was just going kind of crazy. Sometimes you just want to go back to basics and just pick a really nice lock. And I've always said that Abus provide some really good value in terms of that balance between price and security, and they're just full of spools. They're fun locks to pick, and yeah, I just fancied it. I just wanted to pick a lock like this after, you know, doing lots of filming, lots of picking, lots of other stuff around more complicated locks. It's nice to go back to something a bit more basic, and this is, you know, a pretty reasonable lock all in all. But like I said, just nice to go back, and I don't have to gut it either. That's the best thing about this lock. There's no gutting. All I can tell you is there's 1 standard and 4 spools in this. That's what I felt anyway. So there you go. I don't expect any sympathy, but maybe my sad tale will resonate with you. If you know anybody else out there been picking a load of locks recently, and complicated ones, and been doing lots of gutting and reassembly, and just been like, do you know what? I want to go back and pick a less complicated lock. Anyway, that's me today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you all next time.